Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Ratios and Proportions 3, Number Quantities 1C. And we're looking at the percent equation and a second example. So let's write this one here. 21 is what percent of 40? All right, so let's set this up a little bit different here because this is an equation, not a proportion. And so we can say that 21 and is equal to what percent is your x, what is always an x, times 40. Okay, of 40, of the whole is of 40. So let's multiply that. We get 21 equals 40x. So we're working on the x side here because we don't know what x is. So it is being x is being multiplied by 40. So we're going to divide by 40 on both sides. And you're going to be left with x equals 21 over 40. Let's solve that a little bit more. So put it into a decimal because we're looking at a percent. So stop, drop, divide. Add some zeros in here. 40 goes into 2. It doesn't. 40 goes into 21. It doesn't. 40 goes into 210. It goes 5 times. And that would be 5 times 40 would be 200. Subtract, we get 100. And 40 goes into 100 2 times. So it's going to be 80. Subtract, we get that. We can bring down another 0. And 40 goes evenly into 200 by 5. So we have x equals 0.525. Now that's the solution for x. But when you plug it in again, it is 21 is 525 of 40, but this needs to be a percent, so we're going to change it to 21 equals 52.5%. So we're going from the decimal to the percent. This is a decimal of 40. All right, so it's about half, and doesn't that make sense? So it is, if this was here looking at this, 20 would be half of 40. 20 would be half of 40. And so it says 52. It's really close because it's a little bit more than half. So that's a very reasonable answer. So the answer is x equals 0.525. But when you plug it in, you'd put it as a percent because it's asking you what percent. Thank you.